Greetings, this is Mark Weithorn here, your real estate trainer with your 2-minute tech tip. Today we're going to discuss what is blogging and why is it so important. Google is the all-powerful search engine. There are an estimated 5.6 billion Google searches per day. That's 2 trillion searches per year, or around 6,500 searches per second worldwide. Google has over 92% market share of all the searches. The bottom line, they rule. Everyone keeps asking, how do I get on page 1 of Google? Well, there are 2 ways. One is to pay Google, that's called pay per click. The other is to show up organically in the free part of Google. That involves work. Before we discuss the steps for showing up organically, let me explain what is a keyword. Simply put, keywords are search words that people use when searching on Google. So if someone types in real estate for sale in the Google search bar, Google will bring up websites that have those keywords programmed into their site. The more keywords you have, the higher you go. Here's what needs to be done. First, make sure that your website is programmed with page titles and descriptions. Google's program, or bots, will read that, look for relevance, and then categorize your website to show up in the correct searches. Ask your web programmer to check this for you. Next, you need to write articles with relevant content. These articles are called blogs. The articles need to be filled with keywords. The Google bots will read the articles and search for keywords. The more articles you have, the higher you will show up on the searches. The problem is not many people have time to blog on a consistent basis. It can be a full-time job. That is why DPI automatically blogs for our clients. We place a relevant article on your website every day. These articles get read by the Google bots. Over time, you will have hundreds of articles in your website full of keywords. Next, we automatically post these articles on your Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn pages. In Facebook and LinkedIn, the posts have links that go back to that article in your website. Then we send out a weekly email e-newsletter with the previous week's blog articles to all your clients. Lots of distributed content full of keywords. Well, that's it for my 2-minute tech tip. My name is Mark Weithorn with Showcase Websites. We have been creating websites for realtors for close to 20 years now. You can visit us at dpishowcase.com. And please remember to subscribe and like my YouTube channel to get updated videos. Thanks for listening to my 2-minute tech tip and have a great day.